Yeah, I was involved in an accident. I was rear-ended, sitting still on Havendale Boulevard, right around the area. And initially, I wasn't too bad, but I had a lot of adrenaline going. But yeah, after a week or so, I ended up being in some pain. I live around the area and I drive past here a lot, and so I looked up reviews online and seen that this was a good place to start. So this is where I started, and I didn't go anywhere else. My experience was good. Everybody very helpful, very polite. Never had any issues. All our interactions were pretty short and to the point, which I liked. You know, I'm a busy guy working and stuff, so everything worked out good with him. Yeah, I actually did. A girl I was dating, we're not together anymore, but she had an accident and I referred her to here, and her case was handled very well. Same, quick, speedy, everything was done great.